Di man sa bias ako, but this is so nice. It's Maven. It's from Uniqlo. My anik-anik. Got this from my manager, Miss Neens. Thank you, Miss Neens. Ito yung Toriden Lip Essence na lip balm from South Korea. Bye-bye! Shh. Balikan kita mamaya, okay? So, narito kami sa tindahan ng father ko. Tutulungan lang namin siya magbenta. Hindi maayos yung videographer ko. Oh, asan ka? Mama. Makakabenta tayo na marami dahil sa akin. Gaano ako ba? Sure, magkano ko na. Ito yung caramel. Ito yung sparkles. Tapos ba siya? Ito dapat 7-Eleven. Ha? 7-Eleven. Hindi niya pala mag-retouch eh. Ano? Anong feeling na Christmas na bukas? How was 2024 for you?
Ako, roller coaster ride siya. Baby! Ayun, sige. Ikaw para sa'yo.
No, I understood why here men run away always. Because reason why one man become dog.
Kakauwi lang namin. Thoughts and opinions ang daming tao kapag December 24. Huwag na kayo lumabas. Unless man kayong kailangan. Tapos goal kong maging Emma Chamberlain yung vlogs ko. Like, very raw as much as possible.
Merry Christmas!
Pag walang camera.
Aray!
Papahinga na ako. Merry Crisis, everyone! Mabatiin mo sila. Merry Crisis.
Merry Crisis.
Yes, kasi nasa crisis tayo. Hi! Nakaligo at ayos na ako. Well, not completely. Anywho, just to give you context, for those who don't know me personally, kung nasubaybayan niyo ako mula previous vlogs, you know that I've been working for a technological company and it's my first job ever after graduation. Months after that vlog, ay isa ako sa mga na-lay off and the company had to do it due to redundancy and siguro budget restriction na rin since nag-merge sila with other subgroup. Nakahanap naman ako, like, I spent the next 2 months job hunting. Let me tell you, wala akong kinontent noon kasi I'm at the lowest point of my life. But at the same time, it's so healing. Unemployment is healing kapag may savings ka. It healed something in me na yung dala-dala ko mula sa first job, ayun. Tapos when I finally landed my second job, things are starting to get better because I'm loving my job now. Kaya disclaimer na rin na wala akong gifts sa mga tao this year kasi ang sahod namin ay once a month and ayun, hindi pa ako nakakasahod. So, but I promise to give back next year. Believe it or not, wala akong inaanak. As in, I don't know if dahil tinurn down ko ba, di ko na maalala. Pero wala pang mag-a-ask sa akin maging ninang ang mga anak nila. So, ang papel ko for today's video is tumanggap. Ako yung receiver. May bisita ako.
Yan.
Hi everyone! We are home. Nag-celebrate kami ng Christmas sa mother side ko. We are just really grateful for everyone and everything. Kanina, sama ko yung boyfriend ko mag-celebrate with us. Pero hindi ako masyadong nakakuha ng clips. Merry Christmas everyone. Kailangan ko ng kape. Hi guys! Going for Dalgona coffee. Pero hindi siya Dalgona. So, I'll do something work. And then sa afternoon, I will go to a nearby salon to get my hair done. Because I haven't had this done for a while sa salon. Kasi ako yung usually nag-color or yung sisters ko.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock, a jingle bell swing and
Hey! So, I'm back. Got home around 8 p.m. Nung umalis kami ng mga kapatid ko, nakarating ako ng salon around 4 p.m. 4 hours ako sa salon. I was supposed to go home with my sisters but nagpaiwan na lang sila sa mall tapos nauna na sila. Sobrang daming tao and I think I should have expected this kasi nga kakatapos ng Pasko. Just like me, maraming nakapamasko. Anyway, I decided to dye my hair for a change because I've been dyeing my hair since 2020. So yung napili kong kulay. I've always wanted something like close to ash brown. I've done it multiple times but it's not permanent and bumabalik lang siya sa pagiging grassy. So I chose something darker. Hindi naman to black. Mukha lang black. Tapos, nagpa-Brazilian treatment na rin ako. Just to revive my hair, the healthiness of my hair. Yun lang. That's it for this holiday vlog. And I'll make sure to film more kapag may something interesting na sa buhay ko. If you have made it this far, thank you very much.
jingle bell,